Here's our room. Ito daw yung kasita room.
Hi, welcome to you, Rainbow Pot Pinky. It's not.
This is our room.
Yeah, and my bed.
Meron tayong balcony. Tapos ito yung bed natin. Double bed. May aircon naman.
Upstairs, and this is Aaron's bed. And Mommy sleeps on there with me, and Daddy sleeps on there.
No, Erin and Yula there. Mommy and Daddy here. Uy, do not. Your slippers outside lang, please.
Oh.
And ito yung toilet.
You mean toilet? That's the toilet.
Yes.
And that's.
Picture kayo dito, Bilya Janela, be. Dali.
Yay!
Doon, sa Villa Janela. I need to read the ano. Okay. Smile. Wow. Erin, Yula. Papunta na, anuhin lang daw yung bangka. Ewan ko kung anong aanuhin niya.
Yo.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
I want to go to swimming.
Later.
Aaron, later.
Doon tayo sa island na pupunta ngayon.
Yeah.
There.
That island, the far away thingy?
Yes.
The one with the light one or the almost the near one?
Basta that island.
What kind of island? The back one or the front? I found some seaweed. Daddy, after we ride the boat, can we swimming please? When I do this, it comes back. It's cool.
Ayan ang bangka namin. We're here at Camara. Ayan, dun kami galing. Doon.
All the way there.
Yeah, tapos nandito na kami ngayon.
Where?
We're finally at the beach! Yay!
Welcome to. Hey, hey! I'm saying my video, Mommy.
Okay, go.
Welcome to Yula Rainbow Pop Pinky. Daddy! Daddy!
Naka-on yung ano mo. Ayaw, wala walang napapasok na tubig. Ganyan lang.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yay! Ha?
Can we go to the other side? I think there's fish. Daddy! Rocky, look underwater again. A little bit. Look underwater. It's really cool.
Yula!
Upo ka lang dyan, Jun.
Mommy, go swim.
It's okay.
Yeah, go swim. Look.
Oh, Yula, go. It's video.
Hi. We are in, what do we call this, Mommy?
We are in Camara Island in Zambales.
Yeah, that's what my mommy said supposed to be because it is a cool one. So let's go and swim. And do you know guys, it's actually
Uy, ang layo na nila, oh.
birthday. What?
Yay! Oh, sing happy birthday to me.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Erin,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy.
yay! Thank you!
Can I try? Hey, baby. 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 Oi. I'm scared.
Erin, it's okay. Parang di ka nga gumalaw. We're here now in Capones Island. Capones Island.
That looks like the chasing.
This is Capones Island. Ayun sila, Erin.
Underwater. Rumble. Can I fly? Tayo heaven. Tati, Oji. Daddy, video the fish. Daddy, Oji, video the fish. Namon na so. Daddy, ini pot. Daddy, look for fish. Namon na so na. Daddy, look for fish. That's yun. Ikaw gagara he. Ewan tayo heaven. Look, Rocky, messy tree. Oh my God. TV ko. Wagi, look at the fish. Look at this. Daddy, video the fish. Look. Video, Capones Island. Capones Island. 1, 2, 3. Capones Island. Can I see the video?
We're here in Anawangin Cove. Ayan. Nag-day tour kami sa Destinaire. Hello guys! Hi guys! We're here na sa Destinaire. Ayan, nag-day tour kami dito. Pag day tour, pwede daw mag-swimming.
We are eating Jollibee.
Yeah. Bumili kami ng Jollibee. Yun yung namin lunch.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pwede mag-swimming sa dagat at pwede mag-swimming sa pool. Punta tayo doon sa sanctuaryo. Ayan yung bangka namin. Bumalik na kami dito sa Villa Janela. Tapos na kami mag-island hopping.
Dito ko tayo. And Daddy's getting the beach toys. We are actually in our bus. We're just gonna play a little bit. The wind is getting
Tago na ang sun. Nagtago na ang sun. Yula! Let's sing. I follow you
into the sun, into the sun. Into the sun.
I don't care how far. Right here. La la la. Patugtugan mo kayo. Hindi ko mapindot. Into the sun. Oh, you sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, ang gulo.
Can I see? Can I
Wala, ano nangyari? Say happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy.
Patugtugin mo nga yung ito dyan. Yula. Yula,
Daddy, want the piece?
picture kayo. Ah.
Good morning, Vloggy. This is a video.
Good morning. Look at the camera. I will take a picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ay! Good morning! Day 2, mamaya check out na rin kami. Ganito pala ang alon sa umaga, ang lakas.